Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and today on Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, we're going to talk about decals on your airplane. The one that most people see is right here. It's backed by the ELT, and it's on either side, and we have a couple things to say about that. We're going to talk about some other decals, so stay tuned for some more fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now here are the decals in place, but you notice that those covers, they have those slots in them so they can be ripped off in an emergency just by hand. You don't need a screwdriver. According to FAA regulations, those access covers that are slotted have to both have, since they're slotted on both sides, you have to have a decal on either side. A lot of people only have one on one side, but if you have those covers slotted, you need them both. And then another major one that we see are the fuel drains right here at the beginning of the wing root, right near the bottom. There should be one on either side letting you know that there are two drains for draining the fuel on the bottom of the wings. All your decals are covered in the maintenance manual. There's a whole section right there at the very beginning covering all the decals, both external and internal, that you have to have, and they're called placards. So make sure that you have them all, because the FAA is getting really picky lately, making sure that everybody obeys the legality of the paperwork on their airplane. So ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying. Your Grumman. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.